You want to be the face of a services training video? Well, here's your chance. Hi, I'm Tech Sergeant Gallagher, and I work at Training and Development, the Air Force Service Activity. And here's my team.
Hi, I'm Tech Sergeant Eichelberger.
Hi, I'm Tech Sergeant Ford Barton.
Hi, I'm Master Sergeant Zeals.
Hi, I'm Master Sergeant Slonish, and we're here to explain how simple it is for you to be the face of one of our contingency skills training videos.
It's pretty simple. All you'll need is an iPad or a smartphone. We're using an iPhone for this video. You will also need something for stability such as stable hands or a tripod, some good lighting, and to pick a task from our list.
Your video must be shot in landscape.
For audio, make sure there are no background noises.
Use natural light if you can, but if not, find a room with good lighting and always face the light.
Make sure your video is no longer than 2 minutes.
Your video can be edited in iMovie for iPhones and Video Show for Androids.
Other than that, you have full creative control on the topic that you choose.
The topics are contingency tasks that many of you already have experience with. You can use the AFI, personal experience, or even old home station training study guides to develop your video.
So now, what we need you to do is get creative.
Once you're done creating your video, send it to this email address.
Now that you're ready to go, here are a few reminders. Always shoot in landscape, avoid background noises, always face the light, and your video can be no longer than 2 minutes long.
Once your video is done, send it to AFSVA svxt@gmail.com. Now go out there and have some fun.